Hey folks, welcome back to Ask Elk, the video series where we answer your questions. The question in this episode is, what's the difference between a core depressor and a core removal tool? Both tools are used by technicians to access refrigerant system access points so that we can take measurements, we can move the refrigerant in and out of that system, and generally access the system. But they serve two distinct purposes. A core depressor is a 90-degree device, typically with a thumb screw on the back of it, and that allows us to screw the core depressor on, connect a hose to the port on the side of it, and manually control whether or not that valve core is open or closed. Now, some core depressors also have an additional feature. When they back the thumb screw all the way out, they backseat and close the passage going through the core depressor. So if you have a core depressor with this backseating capability in it, you can actually use core depressors as low loss fittings on the end of your refrigerant hoses. This allows you to close the fitting manually and store all the refrigerant in your hose if you need to. One of the other features of core depressors is, with the backseating, and if they're vacuum rated, you can use that to isolate and control the access to your vacuum gauge without disconnecting your vacuum gauge from the system. On to core removal tools. Core removal tools are to remove the valve core in an access port and take it all the way out to provide a straight through path that is low resistance, or as low resistance as we possibly can make it. Once the core is removed from the system, we connect a hose where the plunger is unscrewed from and the core is removed, and now we have a nice straight flowing path. Hope this helps you to understand the difference between core depressors and core removal tools when accessing a refrigerant system. This has been Ask Elk. Remember, if you've got questions, we've got answers. Put them down in the comments. #AskElk. We'll see you on the next one.